Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you weigh a man over 30 and you've noticed that stubborn fat starting to build up around your lower belly, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving deep into the ultimate guide to torching that lower belly fat and finally sculpting the core you've always wanted. It's not just about looking good, it's about feeling strong, confident, and healthy as you head into the best years of your life. So, are you ready to transform your body and unlock that six-pack? Let's get started. First things first, let's bust a myth. You can't spot reduced fat. I know, it's a tough pill to swallow. Doing 1,000 crunches a day won't magically melt away the fat just on your stomach. What we need is a two-pronged attack, a solid nutrition plan to create a calorie deficit, which we'll cover in another video, and a smart, targeted workout routine to build the muscle underneath. When you lower your overall body fat, those strong, defined abs will finally have their moment to shine. And that's exactly what we're focusing on today, the exercises that will build a rock-solid core. The foundation of any great core workout is the plank. I know, you've heard it a million times, but there's a reason it's a classic. It's one of the most effective exercises for your entire core, not just the front part you see in the mirror. When you hold a plank correctly, you're not just working your abs, you're firing up your obliques on the sides, your lower back, your glutes, and even your shoulders. This total body engagement is what makes it so powerful for building functional strength and improving your posture. A strong core means a stable body, which translates to better performance in everything you do, from lifting weights to playing with your kids. So, how do you do a perfect plank? Get down on the floor on your forearms and toes. Keep your body in a perfectly straight line from your head to your heels. Imagine you're a wooden board. Your elbows should be directly under your shoulders, and your hands can be clasped or flat on the floor. The key here is to engage your core by pulling your belly button in towards your spine. Don't let your hips sag down, and don't let your butt pike up in the air. Squeeze your glutes and your quads to keep your lower body stable. You should feel the tension right in your midsection. Start by holding for 30 seconds, and as you get stronger, work your way up to a minute or even longer. Now let's talk about the two main abdominal muscles we're targeting with the plank. First, you have the rectus abdominis. This is your six-pack muscle that runs down the front of your stomach. By holding that straight, neutral spine position in a plank, you're putting this muscle under constant tension, which is fantastic for building endurance and definition. But the real magic of the plank comes from engaging the transverse abdominis. This is the deepest layer of your abdominal muscles, and it acts like a natural corset, wrapping around your midsection and holding everything in tight. When you consciously pull your belly button towards your spine during a plank, you're activating this muscle. Strengthening your transverse abdominis is the secret to a flatter, tighter-looking stomach and a stronger, more stable core. Alright, now that we've mastered the foundation with the plank, let us move on to an exercise that specifically hones in on that stubborn lower belly area, the leg raise. This is my go-to move for targeting the lower portion of the rectus abdominis. While the plank is about stabilization, the leg raise is about dynamic movement and contraction. It's an absolute game changer for carving out that V shape and getting that lower ab definition. Plus, it helps improve your hip flexor strength and overall core control. To perform a classic lion leg raise, lie flat on your back on a mat. You can place your hands under your lower back for support or keep them by your sides. Keep your legs straight and together. Now, slowly raise your legs up towards the ceiling until they're perpendicular to the floor. The key is to use your lower abs to lift your legs, not momentum. Keep the movement slow and controlled. Then, even more slowly, lower your legs back down, but stop just before they touch the floor. This keeps the tension on your abs throughout the entire set. Feel that burn in your lower belly? That's the sweet spot. Aim for 3 sets of 12 to 15 reps. If the classic leg raise feels a bit too challenging right now, especially on your lower back, don't worry, we can modify it. Start with bent knee raises or reverse crunches. For this, you lie in the same position, but with your knees bent at a 90-degree angle. From there, you lift your hips off the floor, bringing your knees towards your chest. This variation puts less strain on your lower back and hip flexors, allowing you to build up the necessary strength before progressing to the full straight leg version. The principle is the same. Focus on that slow, controlled movement and really squeeze your lower abs at the top of the motion. Why are these two exercises, the plank and the leg raise, such a powerful combination? Because they complement each other perfectly. The plank builds isometric strength and stability across your entire core, activating deep muscles like the transverse abdominis. It creates a solid, functional foundation. Then, the leg raise comes in to dynamically target and build the lower rectus abdominis, the exact area we're trying to define. It's like building the strong walls of a house with the plank and then adding the detailed, sculpted features with the leg raise. Together, they create a comprehensive core workout that enhances strength, stability, and aesthetics. Now, let's put it all together into a simple but killer workout you can do at home. We'll call it the 30+ Core Sculptor. Start with 3 sets of planks. Hold each plank for as long as you can with good form. Rest for 45 seconds between sets. After your planks, move on to the leg raises. Do 3 sets of 15 reps. Again, rest for 45 seconds between sets. To finish things off and hit your obliques, let's add in a set of side planks on each side. Hold for 30 to 45 seconds per side. This entire routine should take you less than 15 minutes, but I promise you, your core will be on fire. Consistency is everything, especially after 30, when our metabolism might not be what it used to be. Aim to do this core routine 3 to 4 times a week. Don't just go through the motions. Focus on your mind-muscle connection. Really think about the muscles you're working with every single rep. Quality over quantity, always. And remember, this is just one piece of the puzzle. Combine this workout with regular cardio and a clean, balanced diet rich in protein and whole foods, and you will see incredible results. That stubborn lower belly fat doesn't stand a chance. So there you have it, guys. Your ultimate guide to starting the journey of losing that lower belly fat and building a powerful, defined core after 30. It's not about quick fixes. It's about building sustainable habits that will keep you strong and healthy for years to come. Start with the plank to build your foundation, then carve out the details with leg raises. Stay consistent, stay focused, and be patient with yourself. The results will come. Thanks for tuning in today. If you found this video helpful, do me a huge favor and hit that like button. And make sure you subscribe so you don't miss our next video on the nutrition side of things. Drop a comment below and let me know what other fitness topics you want me to cover. Now go get after it. See you in the next one.
Okay, let's go.